Good morning, students and viewers. Today we are going to share the topic related to senior economics, the causes for high birth rate and low death rate. Almost all developing countries facing a very big problem, population explosion. Population explosion means what? So birth rate exceeds than the death rate. So why population is more in India? So there are many economic and social other causes also responsible. We are going to discuss. Population generally increases because of the high birth rate and low death rate and immigration. Immigration means what? Other countries' people settled in our country legally, illegally sometimes. These people also count in population. So the birth rate has not declined significantly in India during the last 5 decades because of number of social and economic problems increases our population. So causes of high birth rate, number one, economic regions. In that economic regions, we can subdivide it many. Predominance of agriculture. India is a predominantly agriculture economy. In an agriculture economy, children are considered as assets and not liabilities, as they help in agriculture field and also in the other sectors. So that is the reason they are begetting more children. Second cause is slow urbanization or predominance of villages. The gradual transformation of rural and semi urban areas into cities or into urban areas is known as urbanization. The process of urbanization has been slow in this country and it has failed to generate social forces which usually bring down the birth rate in India. So, whenever urbanization is very slow, people did not understand the difficulties of the problem of population. So, that is the reason slow urbanization helps to increases the birth rate in our country. High incidence of poverty. So, India is a poverty country. High incidence of poverty in India, poor people mindset is different than the rich people. Poor people tend to have a large families as they consider every child as an earning hand. In a poor country like India, children are considered as an assets of generating the income. If more children are there in the family, we can get more money by using in the work. Next, social factors. Compulsory marriage. First cause. Marriage is both a religious and social necessity in India. Presently, in India, by the age of 50, only 5 out of 1,000 Indian women remains unmarried. So, more marriages means what? More population naturally. Early marriages. Not only compulsory marriage, but also early marriage takes place at quite young age in India, which provides more time for women to give birth to children. So, early marriages is also another important problem in India, increasing the population. Religious beliefs and superstitious. Most of the Indians, due to their religious and superstitious, desire to have a more children, having no regard to their economic conditions. Every child is considered as a gift of God, should not be abstracted. This is the one of the superstitious in the minds of the people. Joint family system. So joint family system in India also encourages people to have larger families. Joint family common in rural areas in India. It is a family in which number of family members belonging to various generations live together. It induces young couple more children since upbringing at home, children upbringing at home is not a problem. That is, a confidence will be given. And illiteracy, lack of education among the people, especially among the women, causes high birth rate. Illiteracy leads to ignorance, irrational attitude, irrational attitude, and that leads to the big families. Next, to control of death rate. So in our country, the death rate drastically decreases. Why? So birth rate is more than the death rate. So control of famines which have spread before independence have not occurred on a large scale since independence, because government play a vital role in reducing the famines in our country. And second is control of epidemics. Cholera and smallpox often resulted in totally controlled before independence. Now smallpox is completely eradicated, and cholera is very much under control. Similarly, there has been a decline. The incidence of malaria and tuberculosis, they have resulted in reducing the death rate. So other factors also helpful to reducing the death rate. One is spread of literacy and education, and second is expanded medical facilities and healthcare awareness, and improve the supply of safe drinking water, and improvement in the nutritious level. Next, improved sanitation, agriculture developments in terms of high yielding variety seeds. So these are all reducing the birth rate in India. Thank you very much.